Hey there YouTube, so today I am working on a 1997 Toyota 4Runner. This thing will focus 330,000 kilometers. So this customer has no clue when the timing belt was ever done, so that's what I'll be doing today. So let me take you up to the front. And this does look a little rough. Yeah. So yeah, I'm I'm over here about to do this timing belt on this 3.4 liter, and Coleman's over there doing ball joints. So let me go over there and see what he's got. He's actually doing a video too. So Coleman's doing ball joints over here. I just want to show you how bad these ball joints are. This is on a Jeep. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, see the play in it. Oh yeah,
that's a lot of play.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just over here doing the timing belt. Here we got our manager here. He watch after us, you know, two stooges here. But yeah, this is our team here at Overland Garage. But yeah, anyways, I've already taken the fan shroud out. I took the upper radiator hose off. The fan shrouds are super easy to take off. It just has these this bottom piece that just comes off, and this whole radiator just slides right up. So yeah, other than taking a fan shroud out, I've already loosened these bolts here for the fan, right? And all I did was just, you know, put a screwdriver there just to hold it in place and just crack them loose. All right, so first things first, I'm going to start removing these belts. This first one is the power steering, and then this one for the AC compressor, and then the back one there for the alternator. So there on these belts, there's a, you know, there's a nut. If I can just focus, get this thing to focus. Yeah, there you go. So up there, there's a nut there, and the adjuster is just right over there. If I can just move this fan out of the way. So yeah, there's a nut there, and then there's an adjuster right back here. Here, the tensioner pulley is right here. You just loosen that nut, and then right beneath here, I don't know if you can see it, but to move this pulley up and down to put take tension off the belt is right here. And then same thing with the alternator. There's you just loosen that guy right there, and then there's a nut to adjust it to move it in and out to take tension off this belt. Something I just wanted to note while I was just taking the belts off. See this upper bolt? How it's all dirty? It wasn't even tight. It was about to hit the pulley. So let me see if I can just find a hole in the here. So yeah, it was pretty close to coming out. So this bolt wasn't even tight. Apparently, good thing I caught that. So yeah. One thing I want to show you, whenever you see a radiator that's like this colored, that's from all those heat cycles. So this part is hard and brittle and can possibly break at any time. So, and you know, this customer, he wants to take this vehicle across Canada. So let's see what the timing belt actually looks underneath this. All right, so I got everything removed, all the belts. I even took out the radiator just in case I you know, punch a hole in the radiator by accident. So yeah, right now I'm just put a puller and try to remove that crank pulley. So radiator's right there. All right, so one more bolt, and we get to see what's underneath. See what happens when there's never a history of when the timing belt was ever done, because you don't see any, you know, markings on the covers or anywhere around the fenders or stuff like that. So yeah, let's take a look. Oh man. Oh yeah, look, timing belt's all cracked and everything. So yeah, good time to change it, especially when this guy's going on a long road trip too. All right, now since I got the cover off, you can take a better look. But yeah, definitely this timing belt has never been replaced, because you can see this belt is cracking. And yeah, especially when this guy's going on a long road trip, I don't think something like this would be good, because it could probably go at any time. I'm not sure. I think I gotta line up these marks. I think they line up with these notches on the back of the timing cover, but I'm gonna have to take a look at the shop manual and see what it says. Set this to cylinder 1, top dead center. Still waiting for a new water pump that's coming in tomorrow. Gonna have to I'll just remove everything for now and just leave everything until parts come. But yeah, so make sure you, even if you buy a used car and you never know what a history of when the timing belt is done, it's just peace of mind. Make sure you get it changed. All right, so yeah, shop manual says those notches on the camshaft line up with the notches on the top, and then there's also a notch on the bottom crank sprocket that lines up with a notch on the bottom. So yeah, that should be But everything, I took everything apart without using a shop manual. The only thing I needed for shop manual, because just for the timing marks, just to make sure those are correct. But usually when I do a timing belt, it doesn't matter if it's a Hyundai, Honda. I look at it as you remove whatever you need to get to the timing belt, and then after that is just this. And if you're all wondering, this is actually the first time I'm doing a timing belt on a Toyota, because I've never done this before. But as long as you have information that you can use, yeah, if I can do it, anybody can do it, right? So yeah.